Do you want to learn how to make a really good meal for cheap? Stay tuned. It's your boy, Super Saiyan Viking Matt. Welcome to my kitchen, and today we are going to make some barbecue chicken quesadillas. Right now I have the chicken slow cooking in the crock pot right there. We bought the chicken. It was on sale at Walmart for like, I don't know, maybe like $1 something a pound, which is actually pretty cheap. And there's Rizzo. He's going to be, and Marshall, back there behind Rizzo. He's going to be in the video today, like he was yesterday. But anyway, that's what we're doing right now, is slow cooking that chicken. We will have the rest later, and we'll show you exactly how to make it. So make sure you are watching, subscribe, click that little notification button if you like this video, and check out my other videos on my channel. And if you have Snapchat, my Snap code's up top. Go ahead, screenshot that, add me on Snapchat for exclusive content. Also, add me on Instagram at Super Saiyan Viking Matt. The link will be below. So, when you're making the barbecue chicken quesadillas, you want to cut up some green peppers like we're doing here right now, and then you shred the chicken that's been cooking in the crock pot most of the day. Smells good. After you drain the water, of course. Normally the water will be drained itself, but when you are done chopping up the green peppers and shredding the chicken, put the green peppers in with the chicken, and then put you can also saute the green peppers if you like. It's up to you. So we've shredded the chicken, we've put the green peppers in, and we cooked it with some barbecue sauce in the slow cooker. You know, just let it kind of cook, get the flavors all in there. Then, after that, we put the oven preheated to about in between 400 to 350 degrees, and cooked it for maybe
like
10 minutes.
Or less, depends.
And that is your, that's a little overdone, but that is your finished product. And let me tell you, it's delicioso. So when you're making the quesadillas, put a tortilla on a pizza pan. Spread out the shredded chicken with the chopped up or diced green peppers. Put some Sweet Baby Ray's honey barbecue sauce on, and then some cheese. And then, after the cheese is done, depending on if you want to or not, you can always put some more barbecue sauce on top of the cheese. But if you don't want to, put the top of put another tortilla on top. Then put it in the oven for about 10 minutes.
Anyway, if it would please the court, I'd like to begin.
Rizzo, you want to be on YouTube? Huh? You want to be on YouTube? Want to be on YouTube? Yeah? Rizzo, you want to be on YouTube?